Hello everybody. Got a video here on this here primer bulb right there. It got ate up by some mice and that, and we need to change it here, so I wanted to do a video on how you do those. I got a new one here, and on the back of it, it just has one hose and these two tabs where it pops in and it holds it. So to get the old one out, just take a screwdriver, or if you have a little flat pry bar, either one will work, or even taking a knife behind it and prying it out. Just take and go in behind it there and kind of work it outward. And the hose usually ain't real long on these, so if you don't want it to slide back in, if you got a set of forceps or something that you can snap onto it to hold it in place, and just twist that and pull it off. Sometimes you'll have to work with it a little bit. Take the other one and just push it back up on it. And snap it back into the two little holes there, and that's all there is to changing a primer bulb on a Troy-Bilt Storm 2410 snowblower. So don't forget to like my videos, comment, subscribe, hit the notification button, and have a great day everybody. Bye.